Benefits of goji berries and source. Benefits. Very nutritious. Excellent source of antioxidants. May have anti-aging benefits. May help prevent cancer growth. May improve blood sugar control. May boost energy levels. May help you lose weight. May improve cholesterol levels. May help boost the immune system. Dragon Herbs, Goji LBP-40 Review. Description. DTAO, Certified Authentic Source. Dietary Supplement. Goji LBP-40 is a natural extraction of Lycium barbarum fruit, goji berry. A special extraction technology yields a high percentage of Lycium Barbarum Polysaccharides, LBP, and a full range of active Lycium phytochemicals, nutrients and cofactors. Suggested use. Take 3 capsules, 2 times per day or as directed by a healthcare provider. Other ingredients. Vegetarian capsules, rice powder. Pullulan caps, 100% natural, water-soluble polysaccharide produced through a fermentation process. Vegetable origin. Non-GMO. No starch, preservative or chemical modifications. Gluten-free. Warnings. Keep out of the reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.